Hello everyone, it's Aweli from Bestate Investments, and today I want to talk about the steps that you need to take in order to buy a property. Now, the first thing you need to do is to draw up a budget. Now, what do I mean? You have to decide how much you can afford to spend on a property. Don't just think about paying in full, because you can actually pay over a period of 12 months, some up to 24 months for a property. So you have to think about like how much can I afford to spend in a 12-month period for a property. Now that's your budget, and that's going to determine the type of property that you can buy. Now the second step is research. Now that you have your budget, you need to find out what are different locations, what are different property types that fall within your budget. Now you can do this research process yourself, or you can consult a real estate broker to help you out with that. Personally, I advise you to be a real estate broker because they know what's in the market and they will help you save time and the money of the whole research process. So now that you've gone into the market to find the available options, you've narrowed them down. Now it's time to do your due diligence. These options that you've seen, you have to now go for your physical or virtual inspections and verify the documentation, research the company, the developers, before you now decide on the one you're going to invest in. So now that you found the property of your choice, it's time to make payments. Now you want to ask for the various payment plans that are available, right? So if you can't afford to pay in full, ask for installment plans so you can pay over a period of time. So you make payments to the company's account. I always advise to pay directly to the company instead of an agent or a broker. And finally, after making payments, you want to follow up to make sure you get all your documentation, right? So first off, you get your receipt, your invoice, get your contract of sale for the transaction. And after you're done paying, you get your title documents, your survey, your deed of assignment, and then your allocation. So those are the steps you need to take when you're buying a property in Lagos. Follow us for more tips.